The dataset for this report is taken from API COVID-19india.org. It contains data at various levels in the JSON format. As you can see, it has patient level data, district level data, and also daily changes. Let's go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, we have covered the confirmed active and deaths for all over India. On the dashboard, we also have map, which is represented by color coding. Then we have a time series showing day-wise data. For example, on 21st March, the total number of confirmed cases was 334. We have district level details, a pie chart. We also have some KPIs which showcase the total confirmed cases, recovered cases, active and total deaths. We have provided a few buttons which showcases the recover and the death numbers. So if you click on the recovered numbers, the map and the time series changes. Similarly, if you click on the death button, the map now shows number of deaths for a particular state. As you can see, the states have been sorted in the decreasing order. For example, as of 2nd May, the Maharashtra has highest number of cases. If you click on any of the state, all the corresponding graphs changes. If you click on Maharashtra, the corresponding map will focus only on the selected state. As you can see, the map is now showing Maharashtra. The pie chart has been updated to showcase only number of confirmed active and death cases for Maharashtra, as well as the third graph is now showing all the district of the Maharashtra and the various zones the government has divided it in as red, orange and green. Let's go choose a second state. So the graphs are updated. We can easily update these dashboards and provide up-to-date data to the users. Let me know if you want to see more.